In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually import bank transactions into QuickBooks Online using CSV files. If your bank doesn't connect automatically, or you need to bring in historical data, a CSV import is a quick and reliable solution. Before we begin, make sure you have a clean CSV from your bank. It's best if the file has clear column headers like date, description, and amount, with no extra blank rows or special characters. Keep a backup copy of the original file so you can revert if needed. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and looking at the left-hand navigation. Click on Accounting, then open the Bank Transactions tab. This is the hub where all your bank and card activity is managed, whether it's from a live bank feed or a manual file upload. In the upper right corner, you'll see the Link Account button. Next to it is a small caret icon. Click that caret to reveal more options, and choose Upload from File. This tells QuickBooks you want to bring in transactions manually instead of connecting a bank. Now, select Upload from File. Your computer's file picker will open. Choose the CSV you prepared earlier. If your bank provides multiple download formats, CSV is often the most flexible for mapping columns. Take a moment to confirm you're uploading the correct file for the correct account and date range, which helps you avoid duplicates later. After the upload, QuickBooks will prompt you to confirm how your data lines up. This mapping step is important. Make sure your date column matches the date field, your description or payee column maps to the description field, and your amounts are assigned correctly. If your CSV has separate columns for money in and money out, map each one accordingly. Watch for date formats such as MMMDDYYY versus DD MMYYY and ensure the system is reading them correctly. If amounts look reversed or deposits appear as negatives, adjust the mapping so inflows and outflows show up as expected. If there's a header row in your file, indicate that so it isn't imported as a transaction. When in doubt, cancel, fix the CSV in a spreadsheet editor, and re-upload for a clean result. Once everything looks right and you confirm the mapping, QuickBooks will import the transactions. You'll see them appear in your bank transactions area, ready for review and categorization. Keep your CSV on hand as a reference, and avoid importing the same period twice to prevent duplicates. That's all it takes to manually import bank transactions into QuickBooks Online using a CSV file. With a tidy file and careful mapping, your data will land exactly where you need it.